I heard a noise, thumpity thump, from my closet, bumpity bump. I tiptoed close with a flashlight beam and saw a monster eating ice cream. Monsters in the closet, monsters on the floor, dancing in pajamas, sliding on the door. Ticklish, giggly, wearing silly socks. One had jelly beans stuffed in a box. One had 12 eyes but wore cool shades. Another played drums with lemonade. They weren't scary, not one bit. They offered me a cookie, so I said I'm in. Monsters in my closet, monsters under bed. One had spaghetti stuck on his head. They bounce and bop and never bite. They tell me jokes all through the night. So if you hear a creaky sound or thumps that shake the ground, don't be scared, just take a peek. They might be monsters playing hide and seek. One rode a scooter with a pancake hat. Another had a cat that meowed on the bat. We made a fort with blankets and lines, and had a monster eating ice cream night. Monsters in my closet, monsters on the chair. They snore like trumpets, loud and clear. But when the sun begins to rise, they all unbid and close their eyes. So don't be afraid when it's dark or deep. Funny little monsters are just trying to sleep.